These results are what you're gonna be able to achieve when you enroll in the Substance Designer for Real-Time VFX Artist course. This is the practical example for the splats and splashes, so you'll be able to create puddles of blood, you'll be able to create splashes of goo, slime, any kind of poisonous liquid of sorts. And keep in mind that you'll only be creating the textures and learning how to develop the textures in Substance Designer. The course is not focused on how to create the effects in Unreal Engine or Unity. That's the matter for some of the other courses that we already have available and some other courses that will be coming this year. But this is one of the practical examples I said, and these are the type of textures that you'll be creating in Designer. I really love Designer because it really lets you be creative with your effects. And then I'm going to be also teaching you how to differentiate the nodes that we'll be using to preview the textures in Designer and the ones that should be exported into Unreal or Unity, so you get the desired results by using set textures in context in your shaders. 19 students have already enrolled in the course, and the duration of the course is like 20 hours, give or take, just because besides the video length, you'll also need to create textures on your own, so you gain practice, so you learn how to create those textures. If you're only gonna watch the videos, that's okay, but I guess you'll be learning less than if you were about to create textures yourself. The plus side here is that you'll be also getting access to the Substance Designer files and the textures and the Unreal Engine project, so you'll be able to straight up run Designer, create the textures, import them into the engine, and get to see what the results are and what do they look like, and also learn and reverse engineer from all the other examples. Besides me showing those to you in the videos, you'll also be able to grab the Substance Designer files and explore them at your own pace and play around with them. The video length will go up because I'm still adding content to the course. It's already released, but there's so much content that students didn't cut up yet with the contents of the course. So I'm still developing the practical examples, which are going to be real use cases by exploring possibilities that Designer has and implementing those into visual effects for games such as candle flames, stylized anime stars, rainbow flares, stylized stun jumps, such as the ones in Mario Kart, ground cracks, splashes and splatters, which is the one that I'm developing now, stylized digital textures, such as the ones you can see in monster battling type of games. And so, yeah, that's the main thing for this. You should be able to explore all the content there is. Well, I'm not going to be spoiling any more of that, but you can see the contents of the course right here in the curriculum, so feel free to check those out. And yeah, that's mostly it. You can also check out the Master Shuriken course right here. It's also really nice. I really like how it turned out to be, and it's up to date with the most recent versions of Unity. A lot of users are also super happy with this and have been able to create their own VFX right now. And you can check out the other ones, such as the Unity Quick Start for VFX Artist, this one right here, the Unreal Engine Quick Start for VFX Artist, this one right here, and the Professional Portfolio, which is a course that shows you how to actually record the VFX and share them and post them into social media, so you can start to get a following and a sense of like feedback processing and whatnot. So yeah, that's mostly it for this quick video. I just wanted to mention this, and I hope that you enroll on the course and get to learn Designer because it's a really powerful tool. I really love using it. So see you around. Bye.